Adam here from Lifestyle and Mobility, and in front of me I have the eDrive from Motion Healthcare. Now, when it comes to folding scooters, this I believe is the easiest and simplest folding scooter I've ever used. And it packs down in just 7 seconds flat, making it the fastest foldable scooter out there. But not only is it easy to use and simple, it's also really stable, and being a folding scooter, it means you can store it and take it anywhere. And for a limited time only, you get a travel bag for absolutely nothing. So come in closer and let me show you these features. So why is the eDrive so easy to use? Well, simply you have your key fob, which in 7 seconds flat, as demonstrated before, will pack away or unfold for you. It has a really narrow and short profile, so it's simple to store away in your cupboard or a hallway, or of course just keep in your boot. And thanks to its genius design, if you come around the back here, you'll see the battery. Look how simple this is to use. Little push comes out. Get 10 miles out of this, you can charge it, and this can stay in your boot or of course in your cupboard, and you can have multiples of these as well. And to put it back in, same thing, simple push. I'm gonna go jump in the chair and show you some more of the exciting features. As I sit in this scooter, I'm really comfortable. My legs are at a nice right angle, my feet are flat. And this is due to the fact that it has large ground clearance, which makes it great for going over undulated ground, but also means I can have a flat surface for my feet, meaning it very comfortable for a tall person. As well as that, you've got my solid tires here, so no punches are gonna happen again, making it easy to use and low maintenance. As well, as you can see my feet, how far I can go out, I feel really comfortable. The tiller itself is huge. Look at the length of adjustment here for me as well. And of course, the dash, very simple too. Another charging point, horn, speed, forward, back, and my battery life. Everything you need. Let's go see how this performs. And there you have it, the eDrive from Motion Healthcare. Not only is it easy and simple to use, it's stable and simple to store away and of course take away traveling. But not only that, it has the highest rated capacity of any folding scooter at 21 stone. So those of us that are a little larger or a little taller, we're going to be comfortable, and you also know it's built well and it's durable. So you know where to find us. It's here at Lifestyle and Mobility. Our number is 01702 417 088. And of course, you'll find us at the banner below, lifestyleandmobility.co.uk. We'll see you soon.